Good afternoon, everyone. This is Sakshi Dubey, Assistant Lecturer, People's University. So today we are going to discuss about types of hotel. So types of hotel, or we can say types of accommodation, can be classified on the basis of location, size, length of stay, target market, level of service, theme, ownership, facilities, and services. So these facilities and services what we are providing to the guests, right? So now let us discuss in a brief that how hotel is classified on the basis of location. So there are various types of hotels which is classified on the basis of their places, right? So we can say first we can talk about city center or downtown hotels. Now what is city center or downtown hotels? The hotels which are situated in between of the city, or we can say which is in the heart of the city. All the important places should be nearby, like markets or any important places like. Then there is a suburban hotel, a hotel which is in the outskirts of the city. This hotel basically target those guests which want to do their like training programs, conferences and seminars. These hotels are preferred by such guests. Next there is a motels. Now what is motels? Motels are those places which are situated on the highways, or we can say road junctions. The target of motels are the guests who are traveling on the highways, so they can stay there, and the motel is like different from the other hotel as they are having a huge parking space as compared to other hotels or suburban hotels or any other hotels. Then there is airport hotels. Now what is airport hotel? A hotel which is situated near airport. So now who are the guests which is preferred by airport hotels? The passengers who are having connecting flights, or the time duration is huge, or the staff, airport staff, we can say ground staff or air hostesses or pilots, they can do the stay over there. Then there is a resort. Now what is a resort? Resort is a place where guests prefer to go for the purpose of relaxation, or we can say recreation activities. Resorts are generally situated near the nature, or we can say natural beauty of the nature. So guests visit to the resort with the purpose of relaxation when they are having a good vacation, and their motive is to have a good relaxation and with the leisure purpose. Then there is a forest hotel. Now what is forest hotel? These hotels are located in forest range, and these are basically for the tourist. Then there is a floatels. Now what is floatels? Floatels, we can say a boat which is having a place for stay. So for example, cruise liners, or we can say a boat which are there on Dal Lake, which are having a place for stay. So these can be considered under floatels. Then there is rotels. Now what is rotels? Nowadays a new trend is there that a train can be converted for accommodation. It can be a royal one nowadays. So the hotels which rolls on wheels are called rotels. It can be a luxurious train. We can also consider vanity vans. So this can be considered under rotels. Now we are going to discuss more about like how the accommodation can be classified on the basis of size of a property. So there are various size of properties that can be small hotel, a hotel with 100 rooms and less may termed as small hotel. Then there is a medium hotel. Now what is medium hotel? A hotel consists 100 to 300 rooms. Large hotel, a hotel which have more than 300 rooms. Mega hotel, which have more than 1000 rooms. Chain hotels, these are the groups that have hotels in many numbers of locations in India or worldwide. Okay, now on the basis of length of stay. So hotel can be classified into transit, residential or semi-residential hotels depending on the length of stay of a guest in the hotel. Now what is transient hotels? These are the hotels where guests stay for a day or even less. Now these hotels you are going to find near railway stations or bus stand, because generally a passengers who are having a connecting route and they are going to change their trains or they are going to change the buses, so all such passengers are going to prefer such hotels. So these hotels can be considered a transient hotels, because time is less. We can consider it for a 24 hours or less than that, because after a day the passenger is going to catch his another train for specific place. Then residential hotel, or we can say apartments. Nowadays there is a new trend that someone just purchase a property and they can provide it for accommodation purpose for a day or for a period of time. Now next there is a business hotel. Now what is business hotel? It can be also considered like a downtown one, because the main focus of such hotel is the corporate clients, like who came with the purpose of meetings, seminars, conferences. So such clients are the focus of business hotels, and mostly these are in between of a city. Then again, resort is a property which is located in a natural or man-made sites. Extended stay hotel. Extended stay hotel is somewhat similar to the suite hotels. It also offer various amenities, kitchen amenities, more luxuries, we can say. Bed and breakfast hotels. The hotels which are established for the purpose of small family business run in a private homes. We can also say it like a homestays. You can come, and it does not target elite clients, but like a guest who just want to stay for some specific period of time, they can prefer B&B hotel. Then suite hotel. The hotel offer rooms that may include compact kitchenette, or the stay of a guest can be for 6 months or less. Then there is a casino hotel, a hotel which is also having a casino, or we can say they have a guest rooms also, they have restaurants too, and they also have a place where gambling facilities are there. Now on the basis of service, so their hotel may be classified into economy and luxury hotels on the basis of level of services they offer, right? So economy and budget hotel, these hotels meet the basic need of a guest, like it provide you a bed, it provide you a basic lunch or dinner facility, or a so hotel can be classified on a luxury hotel as well. So these are the hotel which offer you a basic facility that can be bed or your food, but apart from that they also going to provide you a luxurious facilities like lounges, concierge services, meeting rooms, valet parking, etc. Now on the basis of theme, so there is a heritage hotel. Heritage hotels are those hotels like the old palaces which is converted into the hotel. Now the old palaces can be of any size and should be built prior to 1950. So these hotels are considered as a heritage hotel. Basically their interior are also going to provide you that touch of a heritage. Then eco hotels are the place which is more going to give you the environmental touch. These hotels use eco-friendly items in the room so that you can going to have that environmental touch. Then boutique hotel. These hotels provide exceptional accommodation, furniture in a themed and stylish manner. Then spas, the hotel which are also going to provide you a therapeutic bath and a massage along with that, and also going to provide you some more facilities which are going to give you more relaxation and a nature touch. So these can be considered as spa. Moreover, you are going to find these spas nearby the Kerala or places where more nature touch is there. So that's all for today's session. Thank you.